Is anybody there? I'm going to get you. Cut you up. Okay, who are you? Who are you? I'm going to cut you into pieces. Look, I don't know who you are, but you can better piss off. That's it. I'm going to kill you. Well, if that's really what you want. Of course I don't want to, you fool. Look, if you don't go away and then call the cops, I'm going to get you. I'm going to kill you. Okay. Beep. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? How can I help you? Well, there's this total freak trying to kill me. Oh, well. There's nothing I can do. Bye. Beep. Oh, fuck, I'm totally screwed.